words actually, to be honest. It's that good.
Yeah. Just crying. We made it. Finally made it.
How's it feel to get a dream, lifelong dream?
Hard to explain. She's big. I mean, to imagine how big she must have been, there must be 20 feet of wreck inside the sand. And even like that, what you're seeing is 20 feet high. Amazing to realize that you're at Titanic. It's no longer a myth for me. It's reality. It's right there in front of you. You're so close to it that you can actually touch it.
When you go to the bottom and you start slowly going up and you can see every porthole, some of them are open, which is one of the things that people were amazed at, that people left portholes open when all this was going on.
We went down the side and captured the whole anchor. There's the name of the Titanic on the anchor, and we were able to see that.
Okay. Bottom time expired. Return.